So I have some examples for you to try. You can cross any of these examples off that are in your notes. We're not doing any of these problems where you have to solve for a variable other than just y. So all of these you can cross off. And we'll put some other examples up here, like let's do this. 5x minus 10y equals 25. And 3x minus y equals 12. And let's try 5y minus 8x equals 40. And y minus 1/2 x equals 10. So we'll go through, we'll solve these. You can actually pause the video and go through and try to solve these yourself, and then play the video to see if you got it correct or not. So the first one, I'm going to go through and just start solving it. So to get negative 10y by itself, we need to subtract 5x from both sides. 5x's cancel, negative 10y equals, now negative 5x and 25, they're not like terms, they have to stay separate. So 25 minus 5x, or I'd prefer it the other way around, negative 5x plus 25. Then divide each term by negative 10. Negative 10 cancels out, we'll have y equals, now I'm going to put this with the x term first. So if you look at this, negative 5 divided by negative 10, that reduces to 1/2, positive 1/2 x. And then this term, 25 over negative 10, reduces to minus 5 over 2, or plus negative 5 over 2. It's the same thing. So you end up with fractions for that one. That's okay. You know, that will happen sometimes. Let's try the next one. You want this minus y by itself. So let's subtract 3x from both sides. So we have negative y equals, now I'm going to put the x term first because I really want you to do that for all of these problems to get you set for the next chapter. All right, we're almost there. We have negative y equals negative 3x plus 12. Let's divide everything by negative 1 so that you have positive y. So positive y, negative 3 divided by negative 1 would be plus 3x, and 12 divided by negative 1 would be minus 12. All right, the next one, we want 5y by itself, so we'll add 8x to both sides. So 5y, 8x's cancel. 8x and 40 don't combine together, so we leave it as 8x, and it's a positive 40, so plus 40. And then finally divide each term by 5. And we'll end up with, the 5's will cancel, we're left with y. 8 over 5, that doesn't reduce. Don't make it 1.6. Don't use decimals. Just leave it as a fraction. And then 40 divided by 5 is 8. Right, so leave your answer with fractions in it. Don't change them to decimals, because in the next section, you're going to need to convert them back to fractions again. So you might as well just leave them as a fraction. And then this last one, the only thing we need to get rid of is this minus 1/2 x. So we're going to add 1/2 x to both sides. Minus 1/2 plus 1/2 cancels out. We're left with y. You have a 1/2 x and you have a 10. So 1/2 x and it's positive 10, so plus 10. All right, so that's what you're looking at in the homework. The homework is in the textbook, the regular textbook online. It is page 40, and you're doing numbers 3 through 12 all. And in there, the directions will say solve the literal equation for y. It's just the same thing that we've just done, just solve for y.